I should have brought pants for the nighttime. Oh well. Oh, would you look at that? The second I got cold is the second it went poof. I'm pretty sure it'll be 20 seconds in extreme heat.
Yeah, probably. I don't know.
Never know.
The smoke's gone
Yeah.
completely. I wonder how many stars we're gonna see tonight.
A lot.
No fucking clouds in the sky, so
You can already see the moon.
it's a crescent moon.
Oh, croissant.
What's wrong, Jimmy Coon? Could you be craving my croissant? I didn't know that was a penis joke until I was an adult. Back away. Back away. Fine, fuck you three. I'm gonna come over here.
Stay back. Stop. You got her?
See, and this is where I would be an asshole, and this is why I don't want a dog. Because I'd be like, alright, you don't want to listen? Get closer. Burn yourself. What did we learn?
Stay back.
Yeah, just don't get caught doing that.
Yeah, I know. Mason wouldn't listen about fucking touching the radiator. He burnt himself. And I'm like, what did we learn?
No. Down.
And he just walked away.
Down.
Did you do it again?
Nope.
Nope.
Not that I know of.
I guess he learned.
Nope.
We're already at 2 minutes.
Down.
It was a dud.
Yeah.
What?
I said that.
It was a dud.
Grab your stick if you want it.
Oh shit, my stick. No, my stick. My stick.
Ooh.
My stick.
Truck. Did they see?
I don't think so. They're traveling along, so. Yeah, they're going on. They're gonna see, they can see the light. They can see the flicker. They're continuing on, so.
That's fine. Called it. We guessed. It's fine.
Someone would have been already over here by now. Technically.
Technically, yeah. Somebody would have already been here.
Somewhere safe.
For now.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun.
Until about 4 o'clock in the morning when the SWAT team shows up.
Yeah,
FBI, open up! Oh, Jesus.
Shut the fuck up.
Emmy.
Emmy, shh. Emmy, there's nothing there. Emmy, there's nothing there.
What? What do you see? There's nothing in there. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop.
Hmm? Oh, a song popped in my head.
Oh.
Because 69.9 The Kev is going on in my head right now.
Okay. If you say so.
It's broadcasting live all day and all night.
All day and all. One, what I put it here and I push it.
Emmy, get over here. We tried.
Mm-hmm.
Emmy, what are you staring at?
So she was acting last time.
I know. I know.
The birds are calling. The mama birds are calling the baby birds home.
Yep. You want me to make these into sections?
Sure.
Okay. So we can stretch them out?
Sure.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Now we're going to hear that one.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Not.
Fine.
That's getting pretty smoky. Perfect.
I'm gonna respray myself with that bug spray.
I was thinking of that too.
Just to finish off the night.
Well,
You get all tangled up? Yeah.
she always does. But yeah, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes now.
I haven't noticed them. But I honestly think it's because the fucking smoke keeps like, here,
Getting towards you.
feck off.
I'll be back.
Well.
Now I hear them. Because I said something, now I hear them.
Close your eyes.
It's starting to go.
Alright, good. Thank you.
I just hope it gets hot enough.
Helps keep them away from the truck.
Yep. I'll be back.
Yep.
Yes, it's starting to catch.
That's good.
Slowly, but it's starting to catch.
button.
I got Smokey. Looks like a fucking ghost out there.
Yeah. I also don't know if every weekend's the same.
Mm.
It's different kind of people today than it was last time. But we're gonna need to do this each night, each day. If we're gonna do this, we gotta be careful what we're doing
Yeah.
Yep.
during the day part.
Night, not so much.
No.
No, at night we can be fucking. We can at least talk.
Yeah. So I don't. What?
I just saw a fucking flash over there.
What kind of flash?
I don't know, like a speck of fucking light.
Like a little tiny thing?
There it is.
You sure it's not a firefly?
Could be
Because
that.
they're out.
No, it's definitely a firefly. That's what I'm trying to get your attention with.
I don't know where. I see them. They're all over the
I
place.
saw some over
I
there.
just saw some in the trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw some right back there behind you. Just saw one back there.
What?
I just saw a firefly.
Oh, I thought you
Just
said
like
you saw someone up there. Didn't you hear that too?
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
But yeah, I saw some fireflies. Right
Yeah.
there. And I was listening to the ones on the ground. It looked
Mhm.
like it's starting to fire.
Oh my Jesus.
It looked like it.
I want to play manhunt. I really should have brought my truck. Fuck.
You're fine.
I know I am.
Next time.
Next time, definitely. Because by the next time we come up here, it should be fixed. Enough. See him?
Yeah, I see him.
Saw one
Pretty.
right over
Mhm.
there. So pretty.
Wait until it becomes like pitch black out here and all you can see is dots everywhere.
Yep.
Look how bright the moon is.
Yep.
Soon you'll be seeing stars.
I think I. Is there always one that you can see like this?
North.
That's
Yeah, I
the
think-
Northern Star.
Yeah, I think I saw it over there.
North Star would be the brightest star.
Yeah.
Which probably. See, the only star I see right now is that one. Which I would assume that would be north. I would assume.
I would assume, yeah.
If we had your truck, you would have had that knowledge.
Yeah.
I don't know if my truck has that knowledge.
No, it does not.
I see something right there.
Okay.
Don't know if it's a sign.
What are you trying to do?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's like a helicopter or something. So yeah, I think this is the right thing.
What the hell are you doing? Oh.
even though it's not hot enough yet.
You what? Are you still cold? Are you still cold?
I'm not answering that question.
Yes,
Oh
it
my
is.
god. It's not even cold out.
I'm not even cold.
I'm nice and warmed by that. God, you're such a woman.
Yep. I feel.
I'm warm.
The outer skin is gonna be cold, but I don't know.
Yes, my pretty, yes.
I'm warm. Holy
Right.
shit.
Yeah, sorry it is.
Emmy, he's burning your sticks.
How dare you?
Emmy, Jeremy's burning your stick. Go get him. Go get him. Wow.
Well,
Fuck
I don't
you
care
too.
about this stuff.
Wow. Alright, that's getting a little too hot. Whew, fuck. Are
Lightheaded?
my eyebrows still there?
Yeah.
Want me to torture him?
Hothead?
Yeah, just a little bit. That's going now, so.
I think this, like me having that like this, is keeping the bugs out too.
Yeah. Fucking thing, man. These fucking things.
What?
These.
That makes it feel like it's a bug?
Yep.
Yeah.
Groot.
I know.
You never cease to amaze, Jeremy. You never cease to amaze.
Shut up.
Okay. What are you doing, Emmy? Emmy?
Where the fuck did she go?
What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Alright. Relax. 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 Rub you down. I love this fleeing tick color she's got. She's got bug bites. You're okay. Yeah. We'll give you some Benadryl when we get home. I'll calm the bug bites down on you. I wish I had
Something
some
was-
with me.
One bug was trying
It's the
to.
one thing I forgot.
Yep.
Bring that just in case.
One bug was flying near my nose.
But she'll be fine.
Was about to go in my nose.
Okay. Then anymore, you're gonna burn your hair.
Huh?
What? Mm-hmm. Well, that's going.
Yeah, I'm starting to get there. you.
What's that?
Nothing.
Jeremy's being a dick. Poor little moth. It got burnt in the flames. And died.
Technically, it had a Viking funeral.
Speaking of Vikings, my favorite part of that game is you can literally avenge people's deaths. You can avenge other players' deaths.
Yeah. I haven't gone back to that game for a while. Planning on doing that again. That's the point.
Yummy.
I forget where I am in that game though.
Shit!
What? What?
It fell.
It fell.
Or,
Let me move. You catching?
No.
Okay.
If you, Jeremy, if you want to use your stick and help me.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna pick it up.
Oh, no. I'd rather put it out.
Okay.
It's too risky.
could catch more everywhere else.
Yep.
At least it didn't caught on fire though. That's one thing about it.
Warmth. Like, yeah.
At least we have water.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Now you do.
No, don't add that yet.
No.
Oh.
Have it to the side. Block it. And figure out we could probably have something stacked on each side and have it built up and block it.
Yep. There we go.
Honestly, like seeing it like that, it reminds me of Sirius Black Into Fire.
Yeah. That's really good fucking CGI they did with that.
I know. I was surprised. I liked how they did that.
I'm assuming 2 for each, right? Alright. Well, see you in a few. What, Hi, baby. You want some food? You want some food? Okay. Well, I'm gonna let this cook for a bit. I'll be right back when it's a little bit later. Alright, I'm back. Yep. Almost done. Alright, we'll see you again in a little bit. Alright, we're back. I think it's time. Yeah.
That's basically how I like my hot
This
dogs.
one?
Yeah.
On. It's hot. We'll do this. Which one?
That one.
This one?
Yep. Thank you.
It's like ballpark hot dogs.
Yep.
Alright. Let Kevin come over. I know. Kevin, you're good.
Hold on. Stay back. Let this burn down and then dig some more of it out.
Okay.
I mean, that's my foot. It's perfect. Thank you.
Yep. All right. That's it. So, see you soon. Hey guys. So it's almost 2:30 in the morning. Dirty. Out there. It's not the brightest. You guys can see it.
He shared the profile in question with me, so I had a look and realized he was right. There was this entire account pretending to be me, just using a different name. There were pictures I've never even posted on Instagram before.
But yeah, we should all be heading to bed soon. And we will. Well, Miss M is in front of me, cuddling, warming me up. Yep. But if you hear anything, we'll record it and see how it goes. Alright? Bye.